Good afternoon, guys. I'm here with Micaela Gouger from United Credit Advisors. She's here to help us answer a couple questions regarding your credit, how to improve it, and prepare yourself for home ownership. So Dave Hirschman here. We're going to ask a couple questions to help facilitate the conversation. Dave, what questions do you have for Micaela?
Well, thank you, John. Michaela, I want to find out what's the advantage of using a professional credit score improvement company versus doing it yourself?
Great question. There are a few benefits to using a credit advisor or a credit score improvement program. We like to say credit score improvement because some people maybe have good scores or okay scores, or even maybe lower scores. We can help anyone improve their credit score with the goal of home ownership. And the big benefits that I think clients love are getting their scores increased or getting negative items removed. Obviously, that's huge. But gaining education. Right now, there's a lot of confusion or new things that change with credit, and people maybe don't have all the correct information, or maybe they're ready to pay something off and they want to make sure they're doing what's best for their score and putting, their money in the best way. So we make sure that they're spending the least amount of money to get the most points back, but also increasing their scores. And then the last one is just making sure that, the loan officer or realtor, everybody's involved and communicated to. A lot of times we'll see clients maybe already have scores that are mortgage ready and they didn't know, or maybe they're really, really close and they're not that far off, and we can help get them across the finish line. But making sure everyone's in the loop and knows what's going on, and that clarity really helps.
That's fantastic. How long does it take for the average person to go through your program?
So typically we see about 4 to 6 months. It can be less than that. It can be more than that, just depending on each client. No two credit reports are the same. So we always make sure that we do an analysis and overview of their situation and report to make sure they know what the next step is.
What's the best way to refer somebody to you?
This is very important. So the best way is to go through their Weikert Financial or Mortgage Access loan officer. The Weikert Financial and Mortgage Access loan officers, they're preferred affiliates with us. So that means that they've been working with us for a very long time, and their clients do get our preferred discount. So typically our enrollment's $130, but with their loan officer referral, they actually get $100 off. So it saves them that money, make sure that the loan officer is up to date and knows what's going on, and that way we can get them closed as soon as possible.
And it's very impressive. I've seen small changes in credit make a tremendous difference in their credit score and their closing costs, the interest rate they can qualify for, and then, of course, as such, the monthly payment. So it can help stretch their buying power in a very short time frame. And I know we've had some clients working together that wouldn't have closed, that now are in line to close with credits coming back to them that they didn't have otherwise. So if you had to give one piece of advice for someone who's trying to establish their credit, what would that be?
I would say open a secured credit card. There are great secured cards out there. The two that we recommend are Open Sky and Credit Builder. Those are the two secured cards we like. They report to all 3 bureaus. Everybody's guaranteed approval. So some cards, even a secured card, may not approve everyone. And they report to all 3 bureaus. So that's very important for the mortgage, and those cards are great.
Wonderful information. Michaela, appreciate the time you spent with us today.
Absolutely.
We're really here to help people, achieve the goal of home ownership. And this tool is really going to help a lot of our clients. So thanks
Awesome.
for being with us today.
Yes, thank
Thank you very much.
Take care.